Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the grand launch of Moto G6 and Moto G6 Play. So Motorola has launched these two pre-handsets in the mid-segment category, you can say. One is Moto G6 and the other one is Moto G6 Play. In this video, we'll check out the first hand review of the G6, Moto G6. So guys, this is the all new Moto G6 in front of you. Looks really nice and classy with a 3D contoured back, a scratch resistant as well, and also Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the top, as it has a 5.7-inch Max Vision IPS display which is HD plus, 18:9 aspect ratio, 1080 by 2160 pixels. Colors are very nice and vibrant, warm colors, and if you see, the viewing angles are pretty good. Let's just talk about the hardware first. On the top we have a earpiece, front camera, just 16 megapixel selfie camera, the flash and sensors, nicely curved edges, and the fingerprint sensor is placed here in the front and only on the under the screen. And in the bottom, if we see, we have 3.5mm headphone audio jack and a C-type charging port. Also, it has a 15-watt turbo power charging. Here on the right side, we have the volume rocker and the power button. Very nice metallic tactile feedback. And here on the top, we have the SIM tray slot. Good. So it has a dedicated SD card slot as well, which can be expandable till 128 GB, and 2 nano SIMs slot. So model number Moto G6, Android version 8.0. It has a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core Snapdragon 450 SoC processor and Adreno 506 GPU. Battery is good 3000 mAh, which will run for at least 1 day on an average usage very easily. And of course, it has turbocharging on which you can just full charge in few minutes. We talk about the storage. So this is the 64 GB variant, 4 GB plus 64 GB, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. Let's check out the camera. So the back camera is a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup. The camera is very beautifully placed at the back. I really like this sundial kind of a formation in Motorola, and this S formation which comes on the back when you just play with the light. Let's see the camera. Back camera is nice and decent. It has options of HDR, flash, timer, auto, manual. Here we have the modes. Photo modes are spot color, panorama, portrait, face filters. Video modes are slow-mo, time-lapse and face filters as well. So let's see the front camera. So this is the front camera, very nice lights it's capturing. So the front camera is a 16 megapixel sensor, good enough to capture nice selfies. It has HDR, flash, face beauty, timer, and modes like group selfie and very nice face filters. Video modes are also slow-mo, time-lapse and face filters in the front camera. And these are some additional settings. So let's run through some of the pictures I just clicked here at the launch event. So selfies came out to be really nice. In the back, just see the colors, they're looking very good. Colors are really nice. It's just capturing natural colors, not making them like, not processing them too much. So this is how the Moto G6 looks like. So this was the first look of the Moto G6. So this was the first look of the Motorola G6. On my back, like behind, you can see Motorola is celebrating its 90 years of being in the industry, from like the big phones to pagers, and then running to the generation 6 now of Moto phones. So we were talking about a Moto G6. This will be available from midnight, like you can say 4th of June midnight, and it is an Amazon exclusive product. Also, it will be available on Moto Hub. This was it for this video. We'll be back soon with another video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.